Armpits are not the favorite subject for each person. There are stains and weird smells, which are not fun for everybody to deal with. People cover them with deodorants, to stop the smell and the sweat, but that is a terrible idea. There are ways to sweat less, and that includes drinking plenty of water, and eating healthy foods, which are rich in calcium as well as fruits and vegetables. Try this armpit detox. You will need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 drops of coriander essential oil, 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. Way of application: apply the mixture under your armpits, and let it stay for 5 to 15 minutes. If in case you have a sensitive skin, then let it stay for 5 minutes only. After that, wash it off. Not only women, but men also can benefit from this detox method. In this way all the dirt will be removed, and it will help the skin perform its job of removing toxins. Thanks for watching.